Okay, Largo to Matadouro. This little space. I think this is I don't know if it's that street or not, but it's definitely this space right here. So we're gonna explore all of that and more. So before we do, let's just pause on that sign and we'll come back in a minute. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so Largo de Matadouro. So we're gonna go check this out. So we have kind of a waterfront over here, and I think that this whole space is let me just see if we can get across here. So now we can kind of view this. That's Lord Stowe's bakery. They have a black and white little thing here. Let's just kind of walk into this a little bit. Then we're gonna walk over the other way in a minute. But I want to start here because I think this is maybe the Largo. And then we're going to focus over on this area in a minute. Get out of the shade a little bit. Huh. Big whole other street right here to explore. I think this is part of the square. So you have a nice beautiful temple here. Please wear a mask. We'll just kind of capture it like that. I shouldn't go inside, but this is quite nice. And then we're gonna also kind of look up here just a little bit, because I think this is also part of the square too. And it's also quite beautiful too. Yeah, that's real nice. Yeah, that's really nice. And I think that's the end of it. This beautiful entrance right here. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So I don't know if this is the square or not, but we're gonna definitely go. I mean, I'm not sure if the square is what's in and around this circle or not, but it's pretty sunny. We're gonna go across the street here and enter into this street right here. And there's another plaza here, so we might just kind of take a look and see what's all around here as well. The sun is quite bright, so let's just kind of walk and see if we can see a street sign. If not, we'll kind of include that into this. I think I include it anyways because it's kind of important to show. So that goes all the way down to the waterfront. And I think we can see the waterfront through some of these. That one you can walk, you can go all the way in. Let's just do that. So this has lots of photography, cool little things. I think they're all of Coloane in the past. I think what we're going to do is, there's also some other ruins like Macau, Sao Paulo ruins, so I think we're going to walk in this one a little bit. I'll just kind of walk and show you the waterfront area. So yeah, this is real nice in here. We do karaoke right there. And then we're gonna go all the way down into the waterfront area. To here. So now you can see some of this too. Kind of a beach right there, right? So let's kind of walk back out again. But yeah, it's real nice in this whole space. And they do karaoke right there. And we're gonna head back on out a little bit. Got lots of good food right there. So you can kind of, maybe we'll kind of angle back, and now you can kind of see that that little square is part of Coloane, and that it's also get a little context of it, right? And this could be a whole other street, all this kind of stuff. There's definitely more to see in this area too. And it goes all the way down. There's a pier down there too. So that is where we started, down that way. Then we're just gonna go down this way and see. And you got more stuff down here. Goes to the water. And there's a pier all the way down here as well. So let's just kind of go down that way. Another temple that'll kind of show you the, the structure of the temples. And you can see a little bit of a waterway right down that way. The sand and the such as well. And we got another one of these. Another restaurant that's right on the waterfront. It's real nice. I don't know the name of the street. I guess we'll see it in a minute. That's a different name. So anyways, the different name will probably be a different context for the next video. Then you got this. So I think we'll end it like that. And now you kind of get a context of everything as well. There's a pier down there too. And that's where we were down there. We'll end it here.